Who has just turned 16 over the winter in that car number 3. And Max Kaler out back in 17. 12 laps once again, setting up the outside rows from spot 16 to spot 26 for the Spring Classic. 1 lap away from green. Ready to go with qualifier 2 for the Big 8 Late Model Series. Good start for Clapper up high. Takes the lead. Mueller tries to follow him through. And now Jerry Mueller wants the lead to the inside of Michael Clapper off of turn 4. Kippenhahn settles into third. A little bit of pressure from behind by Kingery. Kaler 5th ahead of Hrabonka. Side by side for the lead. Here comes Mueller to the inside of Clapper in turn 3. Hard to hold it to the bottom. Mueller sends it in. Gets close. Clapper with the momentum up high. Still holds the lead for now. Evened up again in turn 3 for the lead. Mueller got up the hill a bit, hit the bump. Got into Clapper. Reins it back in. Clapper stays steady. 3 complete. 9 to go. Max Kaler wants 4th to the inside of Tyler Kingery as they go down the back chute. Michael Clapper, your leader. Here comes Kaler, door to door with Kingery. Kingery takes all the land going into turn 1. But Kaler stays on it, stays steady. Max Kaler into 4th. Michael Clapper stretching his advantage. 6 scored, 6 to go. We are halfway home. See if Max Kaler can get up to Cody Kippenhahn before it's all said and done. Just 5 remain. See if Jerry Mueller in 49 can cut down Clapper's lead one more time. Mueller good into the corner. Clapper pretty steady off the corner. Kaler is catching Kippenhahn for 3rd. 3 laps to go, and Mueller's catching Clapper for the lead. Two laps to go for Michael Clapper in car 15. Kaler's got 3rd place down to 2 car lengths on Cody Kippenhahn. White flag coming, 1 to go. Can Clapper hold on? He's good off the corner. That's where he beats Mueller. Beats him again off of 2. Kingery around in 4. White out, yellow out, and a yellow and checker will fly together. Oh, Mueller. Well, the yellow and checker fly together, so the race is scored complete. Tyler Hrabonka comes home in 6th. He'll start 26th. Starting 24th will be Tyler Kingery in the 28. Starting 22nd will be Max Kaler in car 17. Starting 20th will be Jerry Mueller. Excuse me, that's out of order. It's going to be Kippenhahn starting in 20th. Starting 18th will be Jerry Mueller in 49, despite the spin, I believe. Maybe he'll go to the back then, as he was part of the yellow. We'll see. But you're a winner of qualifying heat race number 2 for the Big 8 Late Model Series, car 15 from Dane, Wisconsin. Driving the diesel specialist of Madison, Larry's Tires sponsored Chevrolet. How about it for Michael Clapper?